Yes, Python beginners, we are back here. We're starting off the program. We did this program last time, so today we want to look at the way we can see what does this program output. What does this program output? In the previous video, we coded out these things. I think everyone who has been following, you are able to see what we did. Our program was to print our name. Yeah, we input our name, then to be will be printed. But to those who didn't maybe get the bit of it, here when we say name is equal to input, what is your name, we are saying that our variable, which is name, we are assigning it to an input method that one has to input their name, and a program will produce their name on input. And then we said birth year. We're also saying it's a variable, we are assigning it to input method, enter your birth year. Then we said that after entering your birth year, we shall be able to find out what your age is by using a variable age with a data type of integer here, but we are calling a 2024 current year here minus the int birth year, that your birth year must be an integer. Regardless if you enter words, it won't be able to produce any results, so it must be in numbers to produce an output. So here we have in print, my name is plus name. So here we were saying we are calling our variable there that we said name, so we are calling a print of our variable name here. So we come here, we say plus name, so we are calling it here. So we shall have to print this word, my name is, then your name that you input here will be able to be produced here. Then when we here we say print age, the age here we will be able to print here on age. Then here we shall input, here I've already declined data types, string, int, bool. So here we shall say we are now, this program is what I told you that is going to do summing up two numbers already. So let me not go deep into it. Those that have been following, we are going to run this program and we can definitely see what are the outputs of this program as far as the way we coded it. So how do we run our program? To run our program here in Python, we are going to come here. You can see on the top bar there is a view, there is a go, there is a run. So we are going to run our program, and we shall click on run, and then we shall say run without debugging. That's if you're sure that you're not having a lot of errors. So we shall say run, and on running you can say down here it brings you are welcome. This is what we put here, that print you are welcome. On running in the program, print as you print you are welcome. The beauty about Python is that it's not like the C++, C++, C program, the Java. So its things are definitely somehow not as complex as we see in the other programming languages. So now here they're telling us you're welcome, and they're telling us what is your name. So what do you do here? You enter in your name. I'll take an example. I'll put Tom, and I'll click enter. So on clicking enter, you can see they're asking me to input my birth year, the year that I was born. So I'll put maybe 2000, and I'll click enter. So we can see that the program is already producing my name is Tom, the age is 24. So when you do the math and you get 2024 and you subtract it from, you get 2000 and subtract it from 2024, you can see that your birth year, which was 2000, will make you have 24 years as of current year. So we are going on to, you can see here it is telling us first. So here, what are we entering? We are going to enter numbers, because I told you we have a mixture of statements. Our program has to produce a name, calculate our age, and then input two numbers, and it produces for us an addition or sum of those numbers. And the numbers we are putting in are 56. That is the first number. Then we press enter. Our second number, we are putting in 56 too. Then we press enter. You can see our program is definitely bringing us sum as 112, and then business for computing, drink a lot of water, it's a hot day. Where are those statements? You can see from here we are printing the sum. From here you can see we are printing the sum. This is the area that I'm highlighting. We are printing the sum, and we are saying print sum in quotations. You put in the semicolon, meaning it is going to be separated, then plus the string. Remember here I already assigned the strings here, declared the strings. So string sum, we all know that a string calls in words, it records in words. So we are calling the sum here that we put here. Otherwise, if we didn't say print sum plus string sum, we could also say print sum, and the program here would definitely just print a figure minus including the word sum as it is stated down here, that sum 112. If we didn't include the plus string sum, it would produce for us 112 minus the word sum. And definitely that is how it is. This is how it is. That was the previous program that we did, and we are looking at how we are going to see the outputs of our program. In the next video, we shall be looking at creating a program that can do us all the operations. That is to add, to subtract, to multiply, and to divide. So keep on to the channel and follow for more. I wish you the best of today. Shalom.